This is an urgent alert. Please stand by. The following tones will activate the emergency alert system.
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Utah, at 6:38 p.m. on John 12, 2026, effective until 11:38 p.m. This is a non-family abduction. The first suspect is identified as Marie Erica Marsh. She is 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds. She has black hair and brown eyes. The first child abduction victim is identified by police as Raymond Vigil. He is 9 and was wearing last seen red Nike shirt, Nike sweatpants, white Nike shoes. He has brown hair and brown eyes. He is 4 feet 8 inches tall, weighing about 130 pounds. The abduction happened at South Salt Lake. The suspect was driving a white Ford. If you have any information, please call police at 801-840-4000 or simply dial 911.